Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important judgment given by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of SBC Minerals Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. In the present case, the issue before the Honorable Delhi High Court through a writ petition was that if the prescribed authority, that was Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax in the present case, only append the word approved on a pre-printed format of approval. So whether in that case that approval will be termed as a valid approval as per the mandate of section 151. This issue has been decided in the present case, which is reported in 475 ITR at page number 360. And the date of the judgment is 20th August 2024. In the present case, the assessee was issued a notice under section 148, and when the assessee received the approval of the prescribed authority, that is the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, the assessee noticed that the learned Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax has given his approval on a pre-printed format only by appending the word approved. The assessee challenged this notice in a writ petition on the contention that the notice under section 148 has been issued on the basis of a purely mechanical approval and hence it is liable to be quashed. When this matter was heard by Honorable Delhi High Court, the court was of the view that the approving authority, that is the prescribed authority, must be satisfied on the reasons recorded by the assessing officer that it is a fit case for the issue of notice under section 148. It means that the satisfaction of the prescribed authority is a sine qua non before giving its approval for the issue of notice under section 148. The court said that the process of giving the approval is not a mere formality or a mechanical exercise, and the court said that when the approval is given, it should be very clear from the approval that the authority has applied his mind independently in giving the approval. It means that the approval should not be given just as a signature on the proposal made by the assessing officer, and the approving authority should apply its mind that whether it is a fit case for issue of notice or not, and then should give the approval. The court said that merely appending of the word approved is not enough, and it is also a established law that the approving authority is not required to give the elaborate reasons, but at the same time he has to record satisfaction after due application of mind. The court said that approval is a safeguard in issuing the notice under section 148. It is not a mere ritualistic process or a formality, and the court said that the reasons are the live link between the information in hand and the reasons to believe or reasons to believe that the income has escaped assessment. The court said that approval given in a pre-printed format without any line of reasons does not fulfill the requirement of section 151, and in the present case it is also very clear from the facts of the case that when the assessing officer made a proposal for seeking the approval from the prescribed authority, the prescribed authority gave its approval on the pre-printed format by appending the word approved on the same day on which the assessing officer has gone to the prescribed authority for seeking its approval. So from the whole facts of the case, it becomes very clear and it establishes a law that by just writing the approved word on a pre-printed format does not indicate any application of mind or reasons recorded by the approving authority to approve the issue of notice under section 148, and hence the notice issued under section 148 is liable to be quashed on the basis of a mechanical approval. at the end of this video. Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is SBC Minerals Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 475 ITR at page number 360, and the date of the judgment is 20th August 2024. Thank you, friends.